Today I want to introduce and walk you through our new partner toolkit for growing your business. This is going to be at the push of a button, your resource hub for everything from new partner training to product info to ways to invite, ideas for posts, recognition systems that we have, upcoming events, all the things, one location, organized in a way that I feel is effective and efficient, that can be duplicated easily, because that's what this business is all about. So let me show you how this thing works. First things first, you'll want to go to where you download apps and type in boards. It will be a plain white logo with the word boards. Now, when you go to the link that I send you for our team board, it'll look like this. I'm going to click new partner, start here. We have all of the new partner training, 7 steps. They can take it at whatever speed they wish, all broken down and simplified. Everything from starting your journey, sending your first invite, becoming an Emerald partner, and hitting Success Club, as well as trackers and basic guidelines to how to grow your business effectively. When you click over to the Build Your Business tab, it'll take you to invite resources, top coach invite strategies. From there, if we click over to the Post Ideas tab, we have everything from engagement post to get your social buzzing, to value posts, to really adding value to your network. And we even have created a 30-day post prompt content calendar for you. Because I really wanted to make sure we had everything in one area, we do have all of the different recognition systems, the Road to Elite, Success Club, all broken down by category. I have that new coach training where you can run it into a group. We have comp plan, and we have handling objections from top coaches. On the product side, we have 2 tabs for both supplement tools where you can see the products of the month. This month's is collagen. There's some great breakdowns, as well as story content that you can utilize. And we have a tab focused on the fitness side of things where you can get tools to be able to share the new programs, story slides, videos, all the things. We also have a training calls tab where you can find recordings to Slay Squad and beyond. Now here's where it gets really fun. This is how easy it is to use this boards app to be able to share with both teammates and prospects. I'm going to that little globe looking icon in the bottom left, and I can access my boards immediately. Let's say I'm wanting to send Katie the collagen story slide. All I have to do is click that and then copy and paste. It will send automatically from my board without me having to open any apps. Another really neat feature is the ease and shareability of all of the boards and every single piece of content within it. If I wanted to just send a new partner some post ideas, I could simply click copy and paste it right into a DM so that they could save it to their boards without being overwhelmed by all of the different material. And that way they can access it at any time that they feel stuck with what to share. I hope you are even half as excited as I am about this resource and being able to continue to evolve it, to make this a business of duplication, of simplicity, of ease in sharing and collaborating that I hope it can be in 2023. Thank you for tuning in. Download boards and let's get to work.